discuss all the basic maths function which we need quite often when we practice on basic Excel capabilities. So in case we have this as data where we have the name of the representatives, items being sold by them, units being sold by them, unit cost, and total sales done by them. So in case we want to count, for example, the items. So what does count function does? It counts all the cells being selected in the range. So what are the arguments? Count. Before this, I will tell you how to write an Excel function. So whichever cell we want the output in, for example, in this case, I want the output in this cell B3. I will keep the control here, put equal to, write the name of the function and open the bracket. Now you have two options, either to write the arguments here only or click on FX. So I will suggest people who are quite new to Excel and who do not have good hang on it, click on FX and then write the arguments in this pop-up. So it is asking me the values I want to count. So basically I want to count this entire range and I will leave the value to blank and I will say okay. So now it says 0 because count functions only counts numerical value, not the text. So now in case I write the count function again, and this time I'm giving the reference of numeric values and I'm saying okay, it is giving me 7 because these are 7 values. So you need to understand and remember this difference, that it counts only numeric value, not the text values. Okay, move to the next one, sum function, how it works. So the way of writing function remains the same, equal to name of the function, open bracket. Now it is asking me what all are the values you want to total out. So I want to find out my total sales here. So I will select all the total sales and say, okay, it's giving me the total of these values, the sum of these values. Fair enough. The next function is average, write average, open bracket, click on function pop-up. Now I want to find out my average. I will select all the sales and I will click on OK. It's giving me average sales, average of these values basically, which is coming here as well, 360 something. Now I want to find out the maximum sale. Maximum sale has been done by which representative. So I will write max, open the function pop-up, give all the sales and click on OK. So my maximum sale is 999.5 has been given by Kibble. Now I want to find out my minimum sale. So select all the sales. This is the minimum sale, 149.25 done by Andrews. Fair enough. Now these are two more functions in maths function, how to use them and what is the purpose. So equal to large, open bracket and fx. Now it's a bit different than maximum function. So understand it carefully because it's very necessary to understand difference between max and large as well. They look same when we go by the name, but there is a difference. So it's asking me which is the array. So my array is this. Array means a group of numbers. And now it's asking me k. What is k? K is the position in the array or cell range of the value to return. So basically I want to look for second maximum or second largest value in the array. So I have written 2. I say okay. So 539.73 is the second largest sales given by Gill. What was the largest? 999.5. So now what is the difference between max and large? Max function only returns the highest value, but large function returns the value whatever position we want to look at. Like it can return the second highest, the third highest, fourth highest. Basically, we need to give that position of highest value as one of the arguments. So this is the main difference between max and large. Now look at the small function. Small, what is my array? This is my array. I want to look for second smallest value. So 2. Now it's giving me 167. So same is the difference between minimum and small. Minimum is given me the minimum value. We cannot give any position, either the first minimum or second minimum, or third smallest or fourth smallest. But with a small function, we can mention the position like second smallest, third smallest, or fourth smallest. So this is the difference. And these are the basic 7 text functions which you need to understand. In case you are clear with them, then you can move ahead with advanced maths functions.